Hey there, pancake lovers! Welcome back to the Curios Hub. Today, I'm showing you how to whip up the easiest, fastest, and fluffiest pancakes you've ever tasted. Whether it's breakfast time or brunch with friends, these pancakes will have everyone coming back for more. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need just a few basics you probably already have in your pantry. Flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, milk, an egg, and some butter. Easy, right? Let's get started. In a large bowl, we'll mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. These dry ingredients are what give the pancakes their signature fluff. Next, grab your wet ingredients. Crack 1 egg into a bowl, add 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk it all together until it's smooth and creamy. Now gently pour your wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Mix it all up, but don't overdo it, lumps are totally fine. Overmixing can make the pancakes dense, and we want them nice and fluffy. Heat up a non-stick pan over medium heat and brush on some butter. Pour a 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan for each pancake. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface, then flip and cook the other side until golden brown. Look at these beauties, soft, golden, and perfectly fluffy. Top them with whatever you love, syrup, butter, fresh berries, or even whipped cream if you're feeling fancy. Wow, so light and fluffy, they melt in your mouth. And it only took a few minutes. If you're craving delicious pancakes in no time, this recipe is your new best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite pancake toppings.